Columbia lawyers for disgraced and disbarred Hampton County Attorney Alec Murdaugh are presenting their full argument for a new trial before the South Carolina Supreme Court. Showing you a live look right now from the courtroom. Nearly 3 years ago, Murdaugh was found guilty of murdering his wife and son. While Murdaugh is not present, his defense team, Dick Harpootlian and Jim Griffin, are looking to overturn that conviction. They claim his rights were violated in the original trial. Let's listen in right now.
Institute in Raleigh, North Carolina says that phone at 42 miles an hour will tumble. And when it tumbles, that raised the wake feature. So we did put in the evidence through two witnesses, both qualified, about what they testified.
I got that, but let's just hypothesize that Alec didn't do it. He didn't have the phone in his hand when he rode by at 9:08. Somebody came along at 9:20, these roving marauders, you call them, or whatever, and they killed the Maggie and Paul, and then they were responsible for getting the phone to where it ended up. Wouldn't the phone have lit up then?
It depends on how it was placed there.
If we don't know whether it would have lit up then, we also don't know whether it would have lit up at 9:08.
Well,
that's why I'm asking why this even makes any difference.
Here's what we know at 9:08. Alec car is going by that spot at 42 miles an hour. Did the marauders go by and pull over?
Maybe.
Were they walking? I mean, we don't know. There is no evidence in the record. What there is evidence in the record is he went by that spot at 42 miles an hour, didn't slow down, didn't speed up, and if he had tossed the phone out, it would have tumbled, and all it has to do is go upright, and the rise to wake feature would come on, and so to combat that,
and you're listening in to defense attorney Jim Griffin as he's arguing that evidence presented in the trial was not substantial enough to convict Murdaugh. And as you could see, and you could hear there just now, the judges are asking them questions as well. The Murdaugh's attorneys say that unfair evidence was admitted into trial. The argument just began moments ago. Earlier arguments focused mostly on former Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill. The defense claims she made comments that influenced the jury. The state says the comments were inappropriate but did not change the outcome. Hill pled guilty to obstruction of justice and perjury last year. So far, the justices have questioned both sides about the implications of Hill's comments. They are also asking questions about sworn testimony given by jurors. Chief Justice John Kittredge saying at one point that if what jurors testified was true, Hill's comments taken on their own may have been innocuous, but taken as a whole may have been more nefarious. News 2 has crews in that courtroom right now, and we will provide updates for you both on air and online.